What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be looking at SQL query builder in ArcMap. And before we begin, let me show you some of the common logical SQL operators that we can utilize in attribute table. So number one is equal sign, and which is used to find the data that are equivalent to a particular attribute. You have this operator. This one is almost similar to equal sign, but the difference is that S is used to query the null data. We have AND operator, and we have OR, we have like, not, and we have greater, and less and greater operators. We have greater or equal to, and also less or equal to operator. And we have this symbol, the percent symbol, which is in SQL language is called wildcard. And wildcard basically is used to search for, we just give it a particular some characters, and it will search for it will look for particular characters that you want to retrieve from a database. So let us open ArcMap and see how to use these operators. And today I'll be using this data, the Kenya population data 1999. So let's give ArcMap some time to open, and then we'll open this data and see how to use the SQL to do the operation. So first of all, we're going to add the data that's in desktop. So it's a Kenyan population in 1999. So in order to use SQL, you're just going to open the attribute table. And so now we have our data. You can see the columns. So it's actually a table, and you can see the columns. You have the location name, you have the division name, you have district name, province name, constituencies. You have sum of female population, sum of male population. You have area in kilometers squared, grand total area, and so forth and so on. So in order to use SQL, we'll be using this. Just open this select by attributes. Just click on it. So from here you can create your SQL, and the only SQL clause that is available to us is the select clause. And from here you can see that is select star. This star means select all. So star in SQL or programming language is all. For those who have used Python or SQL, so it's select all from this table, and our table name is this one, K underscore pop v99lmb. So it's select all from this table, and where, so you have already been given the starting clause. For us it's just to finish. So we're going to we're just going to look at the operators that I showed you earlier. So the first one we're going to look at how to use the equal operator, the equal logical operator. And let me show you something. So we are going to look at the sum, or we're going to look at the sum of male that are equal to the sum of female. So in order to do that, we're going to open the attribute and we're going to select the, so yes, going to we're going to double click the sum. So we are going to select all from this table where the sum of males is equal to the sum of females. So select all from sum of males is equals to sum of females, and then you verify to see if the expression is correct. So if it's correct, we'll see this the expression is successfully verified. So you click OK, and let's show the selected records. Now you can see that we have a table that's actually extracted the data whereby the sum of male population is equivalent to the sum of female population right here. So that's how we use equal sign. So if you want to select only the records that are greater than 0, so that you don't have these zeros here, you can write another expression. You can write another expression that combines and the equal sign. So what you're going to do, just go back, and we're going to create another expression. And what you're going to do, you're going to select the sum of male, sum of male sum of male is equivalent to the sum of female, and we're going to add and we're going to say and sum of male is greater than 1, and going to add another logical operator, female is greater than 1, just type 1. So in order to interpret this expression, you're going to select the sum of the columns where the sum of male is equivalent to the sum of female, and the sum of male is greater than 1, and the sum of female is greater than 1. So if we verify the expression and apply, so you'll see that now we have the sum of female, you don't have 0 values, and also the sum of male does not contain the 0 values, and the sum of female is also greater than 1. So also going to look at the less than or equal to logical operator. Sorry, mistakenly closed that. Let's open again. Now we're going to look at the less than or equal to. So we're going to look at the population of males, or we're going to look at the regions where we have the population of males that are less than 200. So just double click on males. We're going to look at the population whereby population of male is less than 200. So if we verify, it's okay, and apply. So if you look at our map, these are the regions where the population of male is less than 200. So, and we can also let's look at how we can use the like. We need to look at how to use this like operator. Okay. So what if you have the name of a particular region that you want to search in the table? Maybe you just know the two characters, the first two characters or the last two characters. Now we are now going to look at the like logical operator and how to use it to do your search in the attribute table. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at the let's say you want to look at the province. We're going to look at the province whereby the province name is equals is Western. So click the equal sign and then get the unique value. Then double click on Western. And in this Western region, we have districts and divisions. So we have district names and division names. So we want to look at the division name, and we're going to search for the division that ends with the word GA. So let's begin again. So you're just going to double click on province equals to get unique value Western, and we're going to look at the division name. So is select from all from table. These are table where, or select all records from this table where province name is equals to Western, and the division name is here, not a district but a division. It's the division name, this one here, the division name like, and I type a single quote or the apostrophe. Then I'm going to write the percent sign, and then that the division name that you're looking ends with the word GA or GA. So close that. So if you verify, see that the expression is illegal. So open and going to show the selected records. You see that now we have the division name that ends with GA is Vihiga. It's right here. You have the Vihiga, so you can view the records. You can check the total area. So that's how you use the wildcards. And what if you want to search for? So first of all, let's clear that. And also, I'm going to show you how to use the how to search for the words that start with a particular characters. So just going to open the select by attribute, and then clear. Then you're going to select all records from this table where province name is equivalent to you're going to get the unique values. Let's say central, and the constituency name. So, and the constituency name is the constituency name. It's like the constituency name that we're looking for has the name that starts with it. So if you want to look for a word that starts with a certain character, you use the percentage sign, the wildcard at the beginning, the search. Then you type the words that you want to find, then close the apostrophe. So you can verify, apply. So the word, the constitution that we are looking for in a central region that ends with the TE is Kabete, but when you want the one that starts with TE, so made a mistake. So just hit that and put the send sign at the end of the search keyword. Now search keyword is TE, so verify. Expression is okay. Click OK. Now we can see the constituency name that starts with the TE is Teto constituency. So that's how you use the wildcards in SQL query builder. So we're also going to look at we're going to look at OR. We're going to see how to combine and OR logic operators. So we open the select by attribute again. We're going to clear this and open the attribute, the province name, get the unique value. The province that you want to look at is Nairobi, and so we're going to select all records from our table where province name is equals to Nairobi, and the constituency name and the constituency name right here, and where's the constituency name? Constituency name equals to apostrophe. You can just type in R. We're going to, we want the constituent name, the constituency, either Makadar or Starehe. So this code will display the records from Makadara. If you don't have the Makadara, it will display the Starehe, and if we have both of them in the records, it will display both of them. So select all records from a table where province name is Nairobi and constituency equals to Makadara, or constituency name equals to, I just type in so to verify our constituency name is throwing an error, so it means our you have some issues. So province name is equal to Nairobi and constituency is equal to Makadara, or to. So let's clear this and type in again. Province name equals to the unique value to be, and constituency name is equals to either can use to instead of that just or constituency name equals to verify. So it's okay. Expression is okay. Now you can see we have the Kadara, the Starehe constituency. I don't know why it's not displaying the Kadara. The constituency name is Kadara. So let's look at the query again. So province name. So we're selecting all the records in our table where the province name is Nairobi and the constituency is Makadara. Or the constituency is also. So you can clear that and you can select the district name. Let's select the district name. And the constituency. Let's do the constituency is equals to, let's going to type in there, verify, but there's no records. So telling me the expression was verified successfully, but no records were returned. So it's telling me that the expression is okay, but there's no such records. So so let's change to location and see if they'll display. So if we look at the location here, verify, apply, it's no records. So but that's how you simply use SQL query builder to understand your data, or you can retrieve your data that you want from the attribute table. So that's all for this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever you post another video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So that's the end of this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.